What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this week's video we are back in this lovely little gated community west of Ajijic, Las Ceibas. It's a new gated community and the developer building these really cute units behind me. This one today for sale is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom property, just under 8 million pesos. Come with me, let's check it out together. The video is on its way. Lirio 9, which is the model of this property behind me for sale today, sits on a lot size of 324 with the construction of 235 square meters. As you can see from the facade of the property, you have space under this south-facing carport because the house is positioned south to north. You've got space for 2 vehicles under the covered carport here, and also there's access for your gardener. If we walk up a few steps into this one level, modern Hacienda vibe property today. As we come in, we're greeted with a very nice skylight above my head here, bringing all this beautiful natural light in. Coming in through the door to my right hand side, this is where we have the laundry area and some more storage space there. It could easily be adapted. And we have the powder room, the half bathroom for your guests with a 1-sink vanity. Walking into this lovely open plan concept, and I really like their design. I think the developer is doing a great job with these units and they just seem to work for a lot of people. You've got here this beautiful Boveda ceiling above my head. You've got a fireplace heading towards the west of the room here, and that runs off beautifully to the covered terrace. But let's go to the kitchen first of all here. It's a very large kitchen. I mean, very good spaced out. I mean, it's been really well designed here. You've got space here to put at least 3 to 4 breakfast benches. And just look at all the space for cooking. I mean, it's wonderful. Plenty of cabinetry. This is a rosewood finish hardwood, granite surfaces throughout. Also here you can come out to the courtyard, and this brings in some nice natural light. It kind of breaks up the room somewhat. You've got this dining room set here. Just shows you how spacious this house is, and a nice living room area. Coming out to the covered terrace. If you've been watching the channel for a while, guys, yes, I've done quite a few videos on these units, but I still think they're a great offering. The garden is perfect for what you need. It's big enough. You've got that beautiful water feature in the middle, and if you want a bit of garden space for your doggy or your cats or something, you've got it here. You can actually walk around the property to the back as well, so it's easy access if you need to do any maintenance work. So let's go in and check out the bedrooms. Coming down this long hallway to the bedrooms. So it's quite nice because the main living area is separated from the 3 bedrooms. The first one we come to is here on my left hand side. That's the guest bedroom. Here we have a full bathroom with a walk-in shower and a 1-sink vanity. This would be the second bedroom. I like this bedroom because it actually has a little back courtyard, bit cooler as well. Has some built-ins there too. And coming through here, just to point out, we've got a skylight as we walk through the corridor here. Coming into the master bedroom, topped off with this beautiful exposed brick Boveda ceiling. This is a king-size bed and there's still plenty of space around it. This is actually where we can see the living area and the covered terrace because it's Hacienda type and it all wraps around beautifully. Coming over here to my left, this is where we find the ensuite bathroom with a 2-sink vanity, a large walk-in shower, and a walk-in closet. What I like about this gated community west of Ajijic, you do have a very nice clubhouse. It's a heated swimming pool. The gym is fantastic. I mean, really well equipped gym. And it has a nice kind of get together common area for your friends and family to come and relax. Thank you so much for coming to see the property today, guys. If you'd like to come and see this in person, feel free to reach out to me. My email is here on the screen. If you want any further information, feel free to reach out to me. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification button, give the video a thumbs up if you want notifications on videos once a week here in Lake Chapala. Thanks all very much for watching. Take care of yourselves and everyone have a wonderful weekend. See you in the next video, guys. Hasta luego.